Newton's laws of motion. First law, common forces acting on a body hela weight mg, normal n, tension T, friction F. Static equilibrium. Static equilibrium में F net will equals to zero. Body is at rest. पहले ब्लॉक पे सारे फोर्सेस को दिखाओ, देन उनको एक्स एंड वाई एक्सिस में रिजॉल्व कर दें और इक्वेट कर दें। फिर एक्स एंड वाई एक्सिस के सारे फोर्सेस को बैलेंस आउट करें और इक्वेट कर दें इक्वल्स टू के साथ। प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एन सर्कल इफ ऑल द फोर्सेस विल एक्ट एट हिज सेंटर। पुली ब्लॉक सिस्टम्स. F net equals 0. Tension is equal to 2 m1 m2 g by m1 plus m2. Acceleration is equal to m2 minus m1 g by m1 plus m2. ଦୁଇଟାଙ୍କ ଡିନୋମିନେଟର m1 ପ୍ଲସ୍ m2 ରହିବ, ଆଡ଼ିସନ୍ ରହିବ। ଖାଲି ଟେନସନରେ m1 ମଲ୍ଟିପ୍ଲାଏ ହେବ ଆଉ ଆକ୍ସିଲେରେସନରେ ଡିଭାଇଡ଼ ହେବ। ପୁଲି ବ୍ଲକ୍ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ହେଲା ଫରୱାର୍ଡ଼ ଫୋର୍ସ ମାଇନସ୍ ବ୍ୟାକୱାର୍ଡ଼ ଫୋର୍ସ ଇଜ ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ସ ଟୁ ମାସ୍ ଇନଟୁ ଆକ୍ସିଲେରେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ହୋଲ୍ ସିଷ୍ଟମ। So block 1 by m2g minus 2t is equals to m2a. Block 2 by t minus m1g sin theta is equals to m1 into 2a. Concept of weighing machine. Measure is equals to n normal is equals to mass into gravity. In case of lift, upward hele n equals to normal is equals to m gravitation plus acceleration. Our reading is equals to n by gravity. Our downward hele upthrust of a rocket equals to n equals to gravitation minus acceleration into m. Reading hela n by g. Concept of spring balance. Tension is equals to mass into gravity. So reading hela tension by gravity. Equation on T by 50 equals fast acceleration. Forward force minus backward force को mass into acceleration. Implementing hela reading hela tension by gravity. Spring cutting and combination. K1 L1 equals to K2 L2. KL constant रहेगा. If we remove selection of system, two or more bodies can be taken as a system if all the bodies have same acceleration. Removing inclined plane पर ब्लॉक रहिले tan theta is equals to acceleration by gravity. Pseudo force ला tan theta is equals to acceleration by gravity. Tan t tension is equals to m whole into acceleration square plus gravitational square. Variable forces. Force as a function f as a function of t hele m dv by dt into 0 to t f as a function of t l dt is equals to u to v m dv. As a function of x hele m v dv by dx. Then velocity hele m dv dv by dx same. And force m dv by dt. Force ta velocity terms hele m dv by dt 0 to t dt is equals to u to v m v force as a function of velocity. फ्रिक्शन. अगर फिसला हुई तो फ्रिक्शन काइनेटिक लगेगा वरना स्टैटिक लगेगा. वेरिएशन ऑफ फ्रिक्शन विथ एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस. म्यू एस इज इक्वल्स टू म्यू के इज इक्वल्स टू म्यू. अपर लिमिट एफ एक्स मैक्स. वेरिएबल फोर्स ला एफ एक्स मैक्स डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शनल टू एन म्यू इंटू एन. एफ एक्स मैक्स ला म्यू इंटू एन और n है mg. So friction force is equals to mu mg, maximum friction force to make the object rest. Force is equals to mass into acceleration. Frictional force है mu mg और force is equals to mass into acceleration. Friction है mu mg. Direction of friction है अगर B पे खड़े हो तो A को लेफ्ट साइड जाएगा 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड तो उससे फ्रिक्शन लगेगा. B पे ऑपोजिट फ्रिक्शन लगेगा. पुशिंग वर्सेस पुलिंग. Pulling is difficult. Minimum force to start slipping. F minimum is to make the move over hela. F minimum is equals to mu mg upon under root mu square plus 1. Tan theta is equals to mu and F maximum hela to move together both blocks hela. F maximum mu mg. Mu total hava mu1 plus mu2 and mb total hava. So F maximum is equals to m1 plus m2 और mu1 plus mu2 into g जिससे ब्लॉक भीतर थिबा. Limiting friction on a chain. Friction on chain hela maximum length can be hanged without slipping hela. X is equals to mu L upon 1 plus mu. Contact forces. Contact force is under root of normal square plus friction square. F minimum is equals to n normal. F maximum hela friction force is equals to n into 1 plus mu square. Angle of free falls. Minimum angle for which body slips due to its weight hela tan theta is equals to mu. If angle is less than the rest, then slip. Maximum possible alpha up to which insect can crawl without slipping. Insect crawl without slipping semicircular ये है ला limiting condition alpha is equals to cot inverse 3. Block on slope है up है add down है subtract. When block moves off acceleration when block moves off है acceleration equals to g whole into sin theta plus mu cos theta. Minimum value of f so that the block slides up is equals to f minimum is equals to mg sin theta plus mu cos theta. When block moves down acceleration of the block down acceleration equals to g sin theta minus mu cos theta. When minimum value of friction to prevent the block to slide down f equals to mg sin theta minus mu cos theta to prevent sliding down. block the inclined plane then taku upward force like normal equals to mg cos theta. Highest impulse is equals to maximum area under the curve between f versus t graph. Block is about to slide left. Block will not slip downward. Then theta equals to mu. Mu equals to dx dy by dx. Find x then find y. जो आड़ को एक्सेलरेशन अच्छी से फोर्स आगे लिखा हवा माइनस पछ वाला फोर्स इन मोमेंटम वर्सेस टाइम ग्राफ हेले फोर्स डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू dp by dt स्लोप इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू फोर्स फोर्स हेला चेंज इन मोमेंटम बाय चेंज इन टाइम m v final minus v initial so is equals to 2mv into by delta t into n which is number of ball reflect backs of ball out here inclined plane हेले t equals to under root of 2s by a s is equals to half a t square l equals to half g sin theta by t sin theta 1 and sin theta 2 la t1 square is equals to variable while firing n bullet from the guns force is equals to n into m into v